The opinions and views expressed by guests on the Bold Stars podcast do not necessarily reflect the opinions and views of the show's hosts, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms on which the podcast is aired. Similarly, the opinions and views expressed by the hosts do not necessarily reflect those of their respective companies, workplaces, represented organizations, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms airing the podcast. Audience discretion is highly encouraged.
Oh, yun nga.
Hey, humans! We're here. We're here once again, orbiting fresh topics and landing on the ones that spark change. Welcome to our safe space. This is Eds, and we are the Bold Stars Podcast.
Hey, good evening, good morning.
Good morning.
Bonjour, bonsoir. Kahit anong oras kayo dyan, welcome, Starlings. This is Donna, always ready to shake things up. Pasok mga suki. Welcome to the Bold Stars Podcast.
Cosmos counts constellations. Here we spark brave questions and bold conversations. This is the Bold Stars Podcast. The universes, galaxies and beyond. Come on in, let's talk.
Yes. Pero huwag mo sabihin secret natin yan, pakita tayo maano. Secret natin huwag mo sabihin.
May recording kami because this is the Bold Stars Podcast Studios.
Tama. What's stopping you from becoming your own monster? Yun ang panimulang question for today.
Yun ang pasabog. Parang what's stopping me? I think at this very point of history, parang wala na. Parang lumabas na siya lahat, girl. May mag-i-stop pa ba? Meron pa ba tayong, parang, this is the most unhinged version, I guess. Unhinged na yata.
I think sometimes you also have to feed some of your monsters that's working for you, you know.
Yeah. Ay, ang ganda na. Lalo na may pasabog si Lady Gaga. Come out of the retirement. Come out of retirement, monsters. My demons and my monsters coming out of retirement after hearing Lady Gaga.
Paano sila makakama sa retirement kung sinisigawan mo kami? Huwag mo kami sigawan.
No, I just wanna make sure na marinig nila to.
Isa sa mga talagang na ano masabihin ko? Hala, parang nawawala ako dahil talaga to sa Zoom.
We're holding space. Space.
Oo. Ngayon yung makikita na parang, ay nako, hindi ko talaga ma-fake na talaga kung gaano kaburyong talaga.
Lalo na video podcast.
Gusto ko lang sabihin, yung sa mga companies, kung gusto nyo talaga na makatulong sa mga small business owners, 'di ba? Mag-focus naman kayo na mag-provide ng services sa mga SMEs, ganyan. At hindi lang yung sa mga capitalist.
Tsaka hello, nagbabayad naman tayo, Mi. Charing.
Oh my gosh, grabe. As in, regular price pa yun Anyway, hindi yung siguro...
Nag-vent out na ka, diba?
Hindi yung siguro pinag-uusapan namin ngayon. Pero for today's episode, we're gonna break through our barriers. We'll be right back. By the way, before that, sorry. Before we continue the podcast, let's take a moment to acknowledge and thank our partners and sponsors for making this show possible. We'll be right back shortly.
Freshly ground beans warming up my heart. Brewing starts now, the steam begins to rise. Sip it slow, let the magic mesmerize. Every drop, every taste, it's like a dream. Coffee, babe, you're my morning beam.
We are a home-based coffee shop. We offer espresso coffee, hot and iced lattes, non-coffee drinks, and overloaded sandwiches. You can find us at Lot 25K, Sandoval Avenue, San Miguel, Pasig City, Philippines. You can contact us at 0916-965-0105. Coffee Bam, your daily caffeine kick.
It's like a rhythm, a melody we need. Pour it in.
Speaking of allowance, nakakamiss din minsan na makatanggap ng allowance, ganyan. Magkano allowance mo dati?
High school? Alam mo, iba-iba kasi. Iba-iba. Siyempre, depende sa
Nung
ekonomiya.
high school ako, 20 pesos lang. Pero
20 din ako. 20, 50, feeling mayaman ako. Pero pag 20, nagpapalibre ako. Kaya sobrang daldal ko kasi parang alam kong I need to survive.
Ayun nga.
Survival mode talaga,
Diba?
may high school pa lang.
Kaya papasigaw
Oo.
ka na lang talaga ng ano eh. Category is... It's me!
Overcoming fear and self-doubt. Ang ganda nung momentum nung episodes, I gotta say.
Right now, what category are we on right now? What category?
Paano nila kayanin? Yung sobrang random, sobrang
Oo.
gulo.
And the
Live
age of
eh.
Aquarius. Oo, bakit ba?
Hindi nyo
Diba?
kaya.
Since the last episode, we already talked about our dreams, goals, mga ganyan sa buhay natin. Napaka-positive na, di ba? for this...
That was for an hour.
Well, for this episode, ang pag-uusapan natin are about fears and self-doubt. And how to overcome them. Ganon.
So, tansya nyo, Shari. Saan ba ito nanggagaling?
Tatansyahin na lang. Tapos tansya na lang, no?
Saan ba ito nanggagaling?
Saan to nanggagaling? Siguro, because isa sa mga obstacles talaga of us achieving yung dreams natin and yung mga gusto natin gawin sa buhay, kahit na hindi yung mga laking bagay. Halimbawa, yung mga obstacle natin, halimbawa, you want to be more active. Ang obstacle dyan, mga Netflix, Prime, Disney+. Diba? We're not...
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like, diba? It's the fear of not finishing an episode, ganyan. Kaya hindi mahihirapan ka na ano.
Pero alam mo, may kakilala
na
ko.
maglakad-lakad.
Parang,
Self-doubt, parang, tatapusin ko ba itong 2 episodes pa? Kasi lulubog na yung araw, hindi pa ako
parang
nakalakad.
hindi na yung self-doubt. Parang katamaran na talaga siya. Diba? Yung binigyan pa kunwari na ibang pangalan ng katamaran. Pero, eto kasi yan, nanggagaling to sa kagustuhan nating ma-achieve ang mga goals natin. Pero minsan, if not most of the time, it's you versus you.
Tatamaran, self-doubt.
Like, how?
Tapos di ba nagkita ko parang, kaya ko ba to? Kaya ko ba to?
No!
Wait, kaya ko ba to? Parang hindi ko kaya ngayon. Self-doubt.
Hindi na yung self-doubt, nag-give up na lang talaga, girl. Hindi na, parang nag-give in na lang. Oo, nag-give in na lang. Minsan di mo na ma-overcome yung katamaran mo.
Diba? Bakit hindi kayo naman nag-exercise? Tumataba ka na self-doubt po.
Lahat na lang binlame talaga sa trauma. Hindi na
Diba? Wala ka
hindi na tinulungan yung
accountability.
sarili. Correct.
Hindi na.
Ang ganda niyan. Ang ganda niya. So, himay-himayin natin yan. What is self-doubt? Hindi katamaran ha, self-doubt. It's the inner saboteur most of the time. Alam mo yung,
Oo yan.
girl,
Totoo.
di bagay. Girl, di mo kaya. Yung mga ganyan. Yung, ate, cancel. Yung ikaw mismo, kinakancel mo yung sarili mo.
May mga ganun mga eksena tayo. And we try to, we're not saying that to normalize fear, ganyan, and self-doubt, no? Pero we normalize recognizing those feelings, I'd say. Biglang sumeryoso.
Kasi puro katamaran eh.
pero do you think that fear is a good thing? Is it a good thing? Or, it's a good thing, okay.
Ang bilis, di ba? Alam mo kasi, pagka sinusugarcoat mo yung fear, you will not be able to overcome it. Di ba? So, you really have to face your fear. You need to hold space for that fear. Kasi, dun mo magigising yung sarili mo na sumasakses ka na.
Bigla kang sumakses eh.
Ang taas ko na pala.
Ang taas ko na pala. Tapos, the personality is bigla kang sumakses eh. Sa imagination mo lang pala, pero bigla kang sumakses eh. Pero madaanan ko lang yun ng saglit ha. You know, I really admire her. Her name is Ninya Wong. Oo. Alam mo na parang yung kung meron lang sana tayong gusto ko lang sabihin na parang kung meron lang sanang equal opportunity for everybody to better themselves, to learn, to go to school, to have that full education. So tingin ko, Filipinos and so many Filipinos, meron talaga silang capacity na to be intellectual, to be intelligent, diba?
Na sumakses talaga.
Oo. Bigla kang sumakses eh. Pero yung may mga limitations din talaga. May mga limitations din talaga. Pero just like Nina Wong, bigla siyang sumakses eh. Bigla siyang sumakses.
Kasi ito yung fear ha. Pag na-imagine mo, nag-fear ka.
Oo.
Alam mo, sobrang perfect example siya.
Totoo.
This episode is for you.
For Nina Wong. For Nina Wong.
Ikaw ang, ultimate bold star kami.
I agree. I mean, like, wholeheartedly, passionately, I agree. I like her so much. And I wish her, to mas ma-recognize pa siya ganyan. Wala siyang fear. Wala siyang self-doubt.
Correct. Kasi nga,
bigla siyang
na-imagine mo. Kasi yun, na-imagine mo, the fear, di ba? When you hold space for your fears, the other side of fear is what? Is bravery. So, yung self-doubt, it will lead you to the other voice. Kasi laging dalawa yan.
Kasi nga my personality.
Go me. I love her.
She's my new favorite person. You have no idea how obsessed I am with her. Let me show you my... Siya talaga. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna show you right now.
Ang taas ko na pala.
Ang taas ko na pala. Nabigla mo na-realize.
Kasi, gets natin yung context
No. I just wanted to show it to you guys. I'm serious.
Legit.
See that one? I'm obsessed with her. Sorry.
Nawala ka na, girl.
Sorry. I'm searching for her. Look at that.
I
Nina
love
Wong.
it. Deserve. At saka, alam mo, feeling ko kaya siya nag-trending kasi lahat tayo nakarelate sa kanya na gusto nating sumakses.
Diba? Lahat tayo kasi may personality at bigla mo na imagine parang, success ka na pala pero bigla kang sumakses eh. Diba?
Sige.
We will have a special episode about...
Idugtong mo yan.
Sinasabi ko kasi, eto yung mga klase ng mga tao. Nina Wong is one of those people na, number one, walang fear, walang self-doubt. Ang sarap siguro na maging on that zone, na wala kang pakialam, you don't give a fuck of what other people has to say about you. You just do your thing. You just do you. Ganyan. Diba? Eto yung mga taong walang imposter syndrome. Eto yung mga tao na they never see themselves so small, ganyan. Na talagang
I think, ang gusto kong i-embrace sa kanya para sumakses tayo is talagang in-embrace niya yung sarili niya. Like, it's hard to be yourself in this world of social media, in this world of TikTok, of live and everything na unfiltered. Parang grabe
trying
talagang,
to be someone else.
Yes. Sorry kayo. Siya na talaga yun. Sumakses na talaga siya.
Siya. Totoo. Pero as someone na meron talagang issue of imposter syndrome, like, I mean, we can't deny that there are really so many people who struggle with that kind of, I'd say, headspace. How was it being there in that situation when you think that you're less of what you are supposed to be?
I feel like I'm not capable before, like, no, that's not for, like, you invalidate yourself already.
Yung parang feeling mo hindi ka sa success.
Feeling ko wala sa personality ko talaga yon. Pero I think, hindi naman every now and then, you will still hear that. Kasi that's your shadow self. But again, like we always emphasize, self-awareness is being at in tune with your strengths and your weaknesses. Now, ang tanong na lang kasi sino yung mananalo dyan, 'di ba? Pero when you're aware of yung fear mo na baka kasi it's fear of being found out kasi. What I've realized, like your imposter syndrome is the fear of being found out. Found out of being what? Like you're not this, you're not that. Pero again, it's all pressure na from the outside. Pero when you become aligned to what you really want in life, like when you get to know yourself better, parang you have to be you have to be the main character. Kailangan mo i-embrace yung main character energy mo na hindi okay lang kahit na ma-find out nila na hindi naman pala ako talaga magaling. May ganun kasi, 'di ba? Yung we're so afraid to show our to be seen, to show ourselves, to take up space.
But are you just
before.
being too hard on yourself? Isn't just like being too hard on yourself?
May ganun din.
Or is it more than that?
Kasi we're more critical to ourselves, 'di ba? Parang kapag ikaw sa sarili, kasi nakikita mo lahat eh. Parang Wow, diba? Kasi ikaw talaga si Nina Wong.
Hindi, I'm more critical. Kasi, iba naman sa akin. Kasi, I'm more critical of others. Kasi parang
yan
I've been...
si Eds. Yan si
Oo,
Eds.
yun yung nature ko. So, I'm just... kaya nga I'm trying to get out of that mold. Ganyan. But anyway, go ahead.
Kanya-kanya nga tayo ng struggle. Ako yun yung struggle ko before na parang, I'm not good enough. There's always something like a voice in my head na, ganito ka lang. Like, you limit yourself. You doubt yourself. Yun siya. Kaya ka nagkaka-imposter syndrome kasi you have told yourself many, many times that you do not deserve this.
Kasi last episode, we talked about you when you did skydiving back in 2019. Walk us through that thought process.
Ay, ang taray naman walk us through. Unang-una, hindi lang ako yung nag-skydive. It was a family thing. So, parang, sige, bakasyon tayo. Tapos, may ganito activity. So, nagkaan. Pero ako, in my hearts of hearts, gusto ko talaga siyang gawin. As in, like, kahit ngayon, kung may mag-aayos sa akin, go. Basta may pera. Pero pag-iipunan ko, di ba? Pero, that kind of adventure, like a one-time thing, sobrang I think that's my zest for life. Yung mga bagay na parang out of this world na hindi mo naman gagawin on a daily basis. Parang, I want to experience it. May ganun talaga ako. Parang that's my zest for life talaga. Now, iniisip ko pa, if everything goes south, then that's a good way to go. May ganun akong level of thinking nun. Like, I don't mind. If that's it, then that's it. May ganun, there. That's the thought process of it all. So yeah, just want to experience defying gravity.
Ayun, yun talagang literal defying gravity.
Oo.
But gusto kong babara natin yung terms na falling and failing. Those two things. I think that falling over and over again is way more acceptable than accepting failure.
Okay.
That's for me.
Tell me more.
I'll elaborate. Okay. Kasi when we fall down over and over again, meaning when we make mistakes and all that, and then when we get up, it's not the number of times, sabi nga nila, it's not the number of times that you fell down, but the times that you went back up. You know.
Diba when it fall 7 times.
When it comes to failure, failure, I think failure is more, I'd say, more definite. Na mas kumbaga parang full stop. I failed.
Okay.
And so you take another path. Diba? So para sa akin, if you make mistakes, you learn from it, and then you get back on your feet, and then continue the journey. Instead of failing at something and changing your path. That's for me.
Paano kung hindi ka na pala talaga para sa path na yun? Yun naman yung question ko.
Yun nga din talaga. Hindi mo alam kung parang kailan mo
i-adjust?
Kailan mo tatanggapin na I already failed at this, so it's time to move forward. Diba? Very tricky. Very tricky.
Naalala ko lang bigla sa Grey's Anatomy episode, parang kasi I wanna say that it would depend on where you are in your life. Like what phase of your life you are in, how big of a risk are you willing to take, diba? And who's gonna be affected. Naalala ko yung sa episode ng Grey's Anatomy, si Mark Sloan and Mark, I forgot what season was it. Pero attending na si Miranda. And then Mark Sloan and her was talking na yung about sa mga may surgery, there's a critical patient na parang ayaw ni Miranda na may ibang intern lang na na magsasama dun sa operation, and Mark Sloan was like, I understand you. You're already an attending. You already grew up. You cannot fail big. So ang galing din kasi yun nga parang it's okay to fail and you can adjust your sails, 'di ba? If that's not the path that you're supposed to take anymore. Parang pag alam mong hindi na yun. Pero may mga pagkakataon din. Kaya alam mo, I encourage people, like younger people in their 20s na parang, baka kasi ganito hindi mag-workout, or yung fear of rejection. Parang not everyone has the luxury of time to to explore, di ba?
Right.
Yun. So, that's what I want to emphasize na it would depend on sino yung maaapektuhan where you are in your season in life. Ayan.
Ako naman, ngayon ko lang naisip na parang, as we progress in this conversation, ngayon ko naisip na, sa tingin ko, it's time to give up, it's time to accept failure kapag you start to hurt the people that matter the most, and especially you hurt yourself. Kapag dumating na sa point na nasaktan mo na yung mga tao sa paligid mo, at yung sarili mo, I think it's time to stop and find another path. Kasi,
alam mo yung ang reckless na, yung gano'n, yung hindi na to bravery, that's different. Iba yung brave sa reckless. Oo.
Kasi if you fall down many times, 'di ba? If you fall, you can get up your feet, tapos may mga bruises ka lang, meron ka lang mga cuts ganyan, mga small ones. Okay lang 'yon. Parang okay, sige, it's gonna heal. Pero kapag meron ka ng impact sa ibang tao, especially sa mga tao sa paligid mo and in your inner circle, and especially for to yourself, na nagiging traumatic na siya or nagiging malalim na siya na sugat, that could be irreversible at some point.
Yes.
Wala. I think it's time to let go.
Kasi kagaya nga nung pinag-uusapan natin, 'di ba? You mentioned like you want to take more risk, ganyan. So it depends on how big of a risk or sino yung maaapektuhan nun. Kasi it's okay to fail, it's okay to take risk, but you need to get the data like what caused my failure, and then you carry it. You take wisdom, diba? With that failure. But speaking of failure, diba? Some people naman kasi, kagaya nga ni Ninya Wong, diba? Yung wala siyang self-doubt. Pero feeling ko meron sa mga. Pero, iba yung confidence na binibigay. Iba yung essence of her being, like, taking up space. Doon ako tuwang-tuwa sa kanya, parang na-encourage ako. Kaya, parang iniisip ko, saan kaya nila nakukuha yung parang kumpiyansa ba? Like, can you fake confidence? Like, what are your thoughts? With you, like, ang dami mo nang na-explore, ang dami mo nang nakita.
Grabe naman sa dami. Baka naman
na mga lugar and everything. Hindi kasi, di ba, ako masabi ko, sobrang brave mo. Like, to move to a different country and, explore your options and everything. So, like, for example, pag bagong salta ka ba, may bago kang personality, may fake confidence ka ba, like, how do you go about it?
Tama yung fake it till you make it. If you're in your early journey sa yung let's say sa career ganyan. Okay yung fake it till you make it. Okay yun. Yun. But it'll only last you for so long. Kasi what you can't fake is yung values mo, yung mga prinsipyo mo sa buhay, yung how you were raised in your household, yung sabi nga ng lola ko, yung mga etiquette.
Oo, sobrang importante niyan. Sige,
breathing.
Daanan natin yan.
Breathing. Yan ang
It's about time.
Yan ang hindi ma-fake. Yan ang lalabas at lalabas din. Kasi pwede, kasi you can hold your mouth, but you can't hold your opinion. Yung ganyan. Na parang, okay, pwede kang...
Papasok na yung self-control dyan. Go.
Pwede kang manahimik for some time, pero yung actions mo will speak for itself at lalabas talaga yung lotion sa pinapahid mo.
Dry kasi, be. Oo.
At lalabas din talaga yung totoong, totoong thoughts mo about things. Hindi mo talaga siya mapepeke. Kasi halimbawa tayo, we're in a workplace, halimbawa. Tayo na, sa isang workplace tayo. Tapos I could play nicey to you, ganyan. Tapos, darating din talaga yung point na if I can't stand it anymore, if I can't stand you anymore, it's going to show by the way I interact with you. Ganyan,
gusto
diba?
ko yan.
So, may ganun talagang mga situation na parang you need to adjust for people, for new people that you meet, tapos sa mga situations that you get yourself into. That's normal. That's normal to makibagay. Yun nga tawag natin, makibagay.
Yes.
Okay, makibagay. Pero, comes with makibagay is you really have that limitation kasi talagang darating ka sa point na lalabas ang tunay mong kulay. Your true colors will always come out. And if and it's either you modify it or you be confident and flaunt it.
Makes sense. Kasi speaking of character is destiny nga eh. Parang kung sino ka talaga, lalabas at lalabas siya. Parang kung kaya ang hirap pagka kinain ka ng self-doubt. Kasi it cripples you, like it sabotages you. Yun na lang yun. Kasi parang I think kung meron man kayong take away agad. And then gusto ko daanan yung pagka hinayaan mo yung self-doubt mo to conquer your dreams, to conquer your goals. Tapos you succumb to that fear. Parang you sabotage your future, 'di ba? So when you doubt yourself, think of the future self na na-deny mo, 'di ba? You're denying your future self a space to grow.
Pero sometimes hindi lang naman talaga fear and self-doubt eh. Sometimes people choose to be in a safe to play it safe.
Yeah.
Sometimes people choose to play it safe because it's more convenient for them. Ganyan.
Alam mo, hirap. Kaya minsan, ito di ba we always say na, ay, naku, sana old money ako. Ay, sana ganito, ganyan. At on the other end of the spectrum, iniisip ko na hindi din ako magiging ganito ka street smart kung I had it easy. Parang ganyan. So, feeling ko yung mga tao hindi nagte-take ng risk, they were sheltered enough. Like, well, they were sheltered during their younger years. Pwedeng ganyan. Which, di naman natin sila biniblame, diba? But then again, ang hirap din i-push ng ibang tao na that come from a privileged family, ganyan. Diba?
Pero diba, street smart na kami, Lord, baka pwede naman na next na.
Lord, ready na ako. Parang ayoko na pala mag-take ng risk, ganyan. Oo.
Diba? Pero some people say, just be confident. Maging confident ka lang, ganyan. Para ikaw yung sumakses, diba? I'm so happy na parang out of the blue, parang
gusto ko talaga si sumakses. Gusto ko talaga si sumakses. Oh.
Gusto ko talaga si Nia. I love her so much. I don't know, wala na isip ko. Siniisip ko tuloy kung meron na siyang bagong content. Anyway, some people say na parang just be confident. Pero confidence talaga, is that enough?
It's not gonna be enough. Kasi,
why do you think?
Oo. Sa akin kasi, confidence is just that one, kumbaga parang, it's just gonna be enough for you to get your foot in the to the door. Like, ano ba? In the door? To the door? Just to get your foot on the door. At the door. Oo. Diba? It's a good starting point. It's gonna launch you to success. But pero para tumakyat ka talaga, pero para success ka talaga, you need to build your character, your discipline, your system, your habits.
Public service announcement para sa lahat naman nakikinig. If they want to get into the what do you call that? The corporate industry. Aside sa confidence, ano pa ang kailangan to survive the jungle of the corporate world?
Alam mo, hindi ako pwede magsalita masyado dyan. Pero kasi siguro masasabi ko ito.
There's a tip. Kunyari ako.
Yeah.
Baguhan ako. Oh.
This is what I've noticed. Okay, like, not just among my peers, but mostly dun sa mga nasa taas ng pyramid. You know what's the best, what's the common denominator? It's people skills. Kasi you don't need to like all the people that you work with. You cannot choose them. You don't have power over them. You cannot change them. But you need to have the ability to work with them, to be professional with them, to communicate with them. You need to learn how to collaborate. So, in order for you to do that, people skills talaga. Like, you don't need to like them, but you need to be professional with them. Like, it's work. So, yeah. Confidence and people skills talaga. So, ako talagang learning curve ko pa yan. Kasi nga may mga rough edges tayo na talagang kailangan natin i-coaching, kailangan pa natin. You grow as you go anyway. So, yun siya, sa corporate setting. Kasi everyone has their own strength. Like, iba dyan, taas talaga ng mga pinag-aralan and everything. But, pag masyado ka ring insensitive, when you come off too strong or whatever, you will always be too strong and too bland for other people.
Yeah.
That's why you need people skills. You need to read the room. Yun
I
siya.
agree. Totoo. Ang ganda, no? Kasi, madalas kasi, even as Filipinos, no? Madalas kapag meron tayong mga fear, mga self-doubt, na para may mga bagay tayo na gusto magawa, hindi natin magawa. So, you fall down and then you have failures. Laging, ang go-to scapegoat natin is other people. But it's actually me. This is me.
Yun nga. It's you versus
talaga.
you. It's
ikaw
you versus
talaga.
you.
So, ikaw lang talaga din yun. Pero, di ba parang, napapaisip lang din ako na parang, sa tingin ko, yung isang factor kung bakit may mga fear and self-doubt is because we have that urge and that passion to control things, people, and yung situation. Diba?
Yes.
Now, meron bang at some point in your life, probably in the past or in the present, whatever, na it could have a better result had you have the power to control it?
Alam mo, ang weird kasi I don't have that kind of, what's this? Well, I'm pretty sure if only I had control, parang, or I took control, of some areas of my life or some situations, it would have ended up better. Like, I would have been in a better place or whatever. But then again, looking back now in hindsight, I feel like you need to roll with the punches. Like, I had so much anxiety before kasi you want to take control, but then again, all you had is anxiety. It's never up to us. Like, there are some things that's within your control, like you can influence, and then you just need to accept yung mga, like for example, may tao ka na inis ka. Girl, you cannot change kahit asawa mo. You cannot change another person. Kasi ikaw nga mismo nahirapan kang baguhin sarili mo ibang tao pa. So, looking back, wala akong maisip na specifically na
wala,
kung
kasi
ito nagawa ko.
Iniisip ko lang kasi parang kung meron sa superpower, like ko sinasabi, 3 superpower ang gusto ko. Meron akong isang superpower, 2 superpower pala gusto ko. Number 1 is the power to grant people's wishes. Yan ang number 1 na superpower na gusto ko.
Aray, gusto maging genie in a bottle.
Ang number 2 na superpower is gusto ko, I want to read people's mind. Pero ngayon, number 3, parang ang sarap magkaroon ng, parang it's very tempting to have a superpower to control things.
Si Lord ka ba?
And people. Bakit kailangan mo? Wala na. So, paano tutuloy itong podcast na to?
Ako, hindi. Ang point ko nga, opposite tayo. Ako, I don't want to have control sa ibang tao, like sa situation.
Ako, I have.
Diba? Hindi talaga, tendency, wala akong mga ganong tendencies. Parang, sabi ko nga sa'yo, kung merong, ang point ko, kasi nakakapagod. I don't want to be responsible. Kaya rin siguro, I made peace na wala akong anak. Kasi parang, I don't want to be responsible.
Hindi ka nga papagod if you have control.
Ay! Ang taray kasi irorobot mo sila. Girl, pamaking J ka na, Hunger Games pa lang atake mo.
Diba? No, seriously. Sabi mo, ayaw mapagod. Pero kung may control ka sa lahat ng mga bagay.
Girl, nakakatakot ka. Matalino si Lord, hindi ka naging Nepo baby. Isipin mo kung Nepo baby ka, paano kung anak ka kung royal family ka? Girl, nakakatakot ka.
Napa baby lang tayo, napa cabbage.
Nakakatakot ka. You'll be dangerous kung Nepo baby ka, girl.
Gabi ka naman. Sinasabi ko na parang, imagine mo if you have control about things and about ito. For example, if you have control that your spouse not gonna cheat on you, why wouldn't you want to have that?
No, I don't want to control people because I don't want to control them. I want to be chosen.
Ay, wow. The point is, hindi yan ang realities natin. That in the world that we live in, it's not that. Diba?
Ako, sabi ko sa'yo, wala akong laban. I don't have any fight in me.
If you have a control dun sa generative, let's say, mga diseases, ganyan na mga, diba? Kung meron kang control sa mga pandemic, ganyan.
Girl,
if you have control over things.
Naabot ng isip mo yun. Alam mo, wala kasi din yung headspace ko. Oh, pero
No,
I get the point.
what I'm
Oo.
saying is that if only we have the full control, the autonomy sa mga bagay na yan sa buhay natin, it would somehow diminish yung fear and self-doubt, if not eliminate it. But the fact of the matter is, hindi siya ganun. We can't control other people's thinking, di ba? We can only
Yeah.
control ourselves, which makes us feel very limited, which makes us feel fearful and doubtful.
Teka lang. Naisip ko lang kasi, parang halimbawa, if you want to take control of everything, in general, hindi ikaw. Inisip ko kasi, like, we think that if you can control the outcome, it's all gonna fall into place. But then again, you will never learn how to trust.
Oh, I love that. And it brings me back
Diba?
sa character ng wizard, sa Wizard of Oz. I think the wizard has that obsession to control.
To control the narrative, di ba?
Exactly. Diba?
Diba? Kasi
Diba,
he doesn't wanna be found out that he doesn't have any powers.
Any power. Exactly. It's the power that we want. Diba? Kaya nga sabi ni Elpha ba, diba? This is me because she has discovered her own power, and it doesn't matter if people around her recognize it or not, but she knows for herself that the wizard doesn't have a power over her and over anything at all. And she has the true power inside her. It's me!
Diba? Kasi if you think about it, the reason why you want to control stuff kasi you don't trust people around you to love you. You don't trust...
I agree.
Diba? You don't trust that the economy will bounce back. Like, you cannot trust other people.
Yes.
May ganun kasi. Parang,
Yes.
even self-doubt.
Yes.
Ngayon na, as I walk through, like, the journey ng overcoming imposter syndrome and everything, may mga setbacks kami, like, sa personal lives, ganyan. I realized na, okay lang if the next few months would be uncertain kasi I can trust myself. I trust myself enough that I can navigate the uncertainty. Like, you learn to trust the uncertainty. Like, you learn to embrace the uncertainty because you have self-trust.
Yes, you don't have trust on the situation, but you have the trust of yourself that you're going to overcome that because you've always overcome things over and over again in the past.
Correct. Kasi nga, you're a bold star.
Diba? Because you're a bold star and don't forget that. Diba?
Yes!
Diba?
Ganda. I'd sooner bide
Diba?
defying gravity.
Totoo. Diba? Meron
Diba?
siya pa karaoke. hindi mo talaga papalagpasin. Gagawa ka talaga ng paraan. Isingit mo lang talaga. Okay na eh.
Kasi diba si Elpha ba, yung akala niya, parang she entrusted everything to the wizard. Like, he can degranify me, he can help, diba? He can help the animals and everything, but in the end, you know who's gonna change your life? You. So you need to trust yourself.
I agree. Yeah. That's
Thank
amazing.
you, Elpha ba?
Diba? That's amazing. Tsaka, and it also, this rule also applies with romantic relationship, I'd say.
Yes! Okay, go.
Na parang, yes, you feel inferior and you feel like you don't deserve it. But actually, yung power to empower yourself, the power to empower yourself lies in your hands. And you don't have to ask yourself and tell yourself that you are not that girl. You are that girl. If you choose to be that girl. Diba?
Yeah. Oh my God, I'm so excited sa part 2.
Bakit mo talaga? Mula from Nina Wong. From Nina Wong to Weekend.
It's me! Oh, diba?
Diba?
Nakakatawa.
Pero diba parang, natingin mo ba, sa observation mo ba, parang,
sorry.
parang, ating ba yung mga,
saya ko lang.
yung community natin, I mean the Filipino society, let's say, just to be specific, natingin mo, the Filipinos reward people for staying in their comfort zone or they want them to like take risks. Kagaya nga pinag-usapan natin last time.
Here's the thing. Alam mo, lagi ko sinasabi, ang mga Pilipino, kung tutusin, iba rin ang kumpiyansa. Like, marami pa rin syempre mahihain and everything, but in the grand scheme of things, if you're a Filipino, you can't afford not to go out there and to fend for yourself. Parang kailangan mo ng kumpiyansa or else literal magugutom ka. Like, you cannot put all your eggs in one basket. You cannot rely in the government. You cannot rely in your workplace, 'di ba? Alam mo sino ang mapagkakatiwalaan mo, sarili mo. You need to trust yourself that whatever happens, you can bounce back. Na kaya mo to. Na
I agree.
All the power is in you. Yun talaga siya. Kasi feeling ko, like for example, you want to be accepted, you want to be validated, you want to belong. It's more of you giving your power to other people. And so now, you can take it back and bring it and remind yourself na no, you don't validate me, I validate myself. Like,
you validate myself.
Take it or leave it. Sa success talaga ako.
Diba? Sa success ka, diba? Diba? You did not...
ka talaga.
Tsaka you did not eliminate me. I eliminate myself. Ang dami natin ang dami from Nina Wong to Wicked to Jade So. Oh. Jade So is still relevant till 2025.
It's gonna age. Like, yung mga linya niya, they're all gonna age fairly.
Kasi
like,
napansin ko lang din kasi talaga. So, pasensya naman, ang daldal namin for this episode, napansin ko lang din talaga kasi na yung mga Pilipino, they don't really appreciate the hassle. The struggle. Diba?
Okay.
Gusto nila yung tahimik ka lang sa umpisa. Bakit ang daming nadamay ng mga... Well, we are Philippine society and culture and trending, diba? Current events, diba?
Correct.
So, we know our culture. We know our pop culture.
And we need to culturize the people kasi malapit na rin
diba?
ang election. Go.
Kasi diba,
culturize. Culturalization.
Yakultized. Ang tawag dito, kasi we as Filipinos, hindi din talaga tayo parang a fan of parang makita yung struggle ng iba tapos appreciate why they hassle, ganyan. Ang gusto natin mga Pilipino, tahimik sa umpisa, pagkatapos gulatin mo silang lahat sa dulo. Na parang kailangan laging mayroong dramatic.
Alam mo kasi, dahil to sa Mara Clara.
Totoo din naman yan. Totoo din naman.
Yung ang hilig natin sa slow burn, yung kailangan pag sa... Alam mo ba, sabi nga nung healer ko, sabi niya na parang it's so ingrained in the Filipino society, in Christianism, that you need to go through all the hardships to deserve good stuff. Like, kapag ka easy for me, it's not good. Which is, di ba? Parang not being privileged, but it's so ingrained to us na kailangan talagang gapang muna, girl. We glorified the suffering. Yun kasi yun.
Oo, yung parang at saka yung parang naisip ko lang na parang hindi ba pwedeng makita mo lahat ng angle, lahat ng sides ng success. Success is not just having that di ba? Bakit kailangan mong imaginein yung success, di ba? Kaya nga sabi ni Nina Wong, naintindihan ko siya and nakakatakot kasi naintindihan ko na siya.
No, I love her kasi ang point niya is minanifest niya.
Minanifest.
Diba?
Inimagine mo na bigla kang sumakses eh.
Oh.
Diba?
Guys, iba si Nina Wong. Iba yung manifestation niya. Oh.
I love her so much. So if go check her out. Check her out.
So balik tayo dun sa Filipino
yun
society.
Siguro ideal lang sa akin na parang siguro kung may eliminate natin yung self-fear and yung fear tsaka yung self-doubt, may eliminate natin yan kung makita ng mga tao kung ano yung struggles natin before we achieve something in life.
Tsaka ito kasi yan.
Hindi yung parang, surprise. Tsaka, sorry to cut you. Tsaka siguro, pinalaki din kasi tayo ng ng deal or no deal. Yung bubuksan, yung may bargains, yung maghihintay ka, kailangan makaabot ka ng 1 million. Kasi pag hindi mo naabot yung 1 million, lahat
diba?
Yun.
I think it's a third world something. Like, I think that's the effects of being colonized and everything. So, talagang deeply rooted siya, imprinted siya sa DNA natin na kailangan talagang i-reprogram. And another thing on that, like, kailangan, parang it's either instant success ka or kailangan kasi you fit into the mold na kailangan mag-aral ka ng ganito, kailangan titulado ka, kailangan ganito ka. We have a template of a successful person na kapag hindi ka nag-fit doon, hindi successful yan. So, hindi
totoo.
siya, ayaw natin nung kumbaga may mga ganong family reunion na parang, ito lang naman yan eh. May ganon, di ba? Yung, hindi naman yan ganito eh.
Kasi hindi talaga
Kasi
nila...
may katoxican din talaga eh, 'di ba? Yung
Diba?
mindset ba? May mindset tayo na gano'n na parang if iba yung diskarte mo in life, hindi yan successful. Ganon.
'Di ba? Hindi natin ma-appreciate na bawat isa sa atin meron tayong personality, 'di ba? Na kaya nating biglang sumakses eh, 'di ba? If there is one worst advice na naisip mo about success that people give, what is it? Or success. Ano yung worst
Ganda.
advice?
Alam mo, masasabi ko, worst advice. Hindi man worst. The worst advice is you need to get it all. You need to have it all figured out. Yung parang kailangan all your arrows are straight. Yung ganyan. Parang you need to have your ducks in a row. But when you're in your 20s, kung entry level ka, girl, no, and hindi naman lahat fortunate enough na may support sila, na merong financial support, family support, like, 'di ba, moral support. Not everyone has that kind of agency, 'di ba? So, I think that's the worst advice kasi you cannot have your ducks in a row if you don't know where you're going. You only find out where you're going after mo rin mag-fail. Kasi yung failures, they are redirection. Your rejection, redirection yan eh. Na, hindi pala mag-workout din for me. So, shift, diba? Shift or adjust your sail. Ikaw, what's the worst advice?
Ako yung pinaka-worst advice ng success para sa akin na narinig ko is tapusin mo yung sinimulan mo.
Okay, go.
Dahil hindi lahat ng mga sinimulan natin is kailangan natin tapusin o merong katapusan.
Like, minsan hanggang doon lang talaga siya.
Exactly. So, kung ba, nagbabasa ka ng libro, tapos you finally think na parang it's not resonating with you anymore, this is not the kind of values that you stop. Diba? Because you're taking back the control over your life. When you are the one who dictates and tell not only yourself but people around you that the story either begins here, starts over here, or ends here.
Sabi.
Ano? Bigla tayo may tumahimik. Diba?
Period.
Diba, period?
Kasi nga, you cannot eliminate me.
I can only I can eliminate myself. Diba? Before tayo magtapos, kung halimbawa, wala kang fear, wala kang self-doubt na nakakamdaman, it's eliminated, what is the first thing that you do?
Ang tagal. First thing that I will do. Diba?
Kung wala ka nang nakakamdamang fear, like you feel unlimited. Limitless.
Unlimited.
Oo, feel unlimited.
Ano nga ba?
If
Kasi
you're alpha ba?
ito, alam mo kung ba't ang tagal ko sumagot? Kasi hindi fear ang pumipigil sa akin eh. Pera pumipigil sa akin.
Hindi, wala ka ng fear. Tapos
Naisip
pwede
ko
ka nang you could crash a
nga.
bank. Tapos
I know.
tapos
Diba?
you have all the money. Oh.
Naging na pala, vigilante na girl. Ano ba?
Bakit? Diba? Ano sabi nung birth chart? Ayoko na nga. Next time, guys.
Ang sabi ng birth chart ko, kung fear, siguro siguro na ako. If, what I will do is, I'll start a business. If I know I cannot fail, ganyan.
Ano ba yun?
Oo. Hindi totoo. As in, magbe-business talaga ako. Like, limpak. Hindi ko sasabihin anong business kasi nasa birth chart ko yun.
Nasa birth chart
nasa
natin.
birth chart ko. Kung ano yun.
Tama ba naiisip? Bago ba tayo iniisip?
Oo, girl. Diba?
Okay.
At yung business ko connected,
Oo,
girl. Alam mo yan.
nakita yung sa birth chart namin, guys, na nagulat kami. Aligned.
Oo,
May alignment.
Kaya talagang naging magkaibigan tayo. So, maybe,
Starts with letter S.
Uumpisahan ko na yun, girl.
Bigyan ko kayo ng clue. Starts with letter S, tapos yung isa, HT. So, kayo na bahala mag-figure out.
Bahala na kayo mag-debunk. Oo, yun. Mag-start ako ng business talaga, girl.
Ako
if I know
naman,
I could that feel. Yeah, go.
Ako naman, kung wala akong fear, I'd say, matagal ko itong gusto eh. Gusto ko talaga na na talagang sumaksa. Hindi. Gusto ko talaga na tawag dyan, na pumunta sa outer space. So talagang, ganun.
Ako sabi ko kasi, I don't fear that. Pera ang kailangan ko. Parang, how do I qualify there? Kasi, di ba yung mga maya, si Jeff Bezos, I think, naka-fly siya eh. So, pera kasi. Kaya nga naisip ko, business, gawa akong pera. Para magagawa ko lahat.
Guys, pasensya nyo na siya ha, dahil it's already, number 1, mukha siyang pera. Number 2, time is up. Please feel free to re-listen or check out our previous episodes on any platform that you're listening to. We're sure you'll find a perfect company for any time of the day because good conversations never go stale.
Yes, and of course, we value your opinion on our podcast topics and would love to feature your insights in our upcoming episodes. You can leave a comment on our social media posts in this video on YouTube, participate in our post and Q&A on Spotify, or send us a message at theboldstars@gmail.com.
Right now, what category are we on right now? What category?
Inallowance ko lang talaga yung nag-allowance lang talaga ako para hindi tayo magmadaling tawag mo dyan?
Yun na nga. Shout out sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers.
Sa mga sumakses. Sa mga sumakses.
One second. Ayun, salamat sa mga subscribers, salamat sa may mga birthday sa second quarter ng taong to, ganyan. Bakit may background ang TikTok ko? May ako na nga to ayusin. Anyway,
sige lang.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga sponsors natin, especially sa Coffee Bem. So, thank you so much. What else? May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Parang wala na rin naman. So, but just don't forget to hit that follow and subscribe button in our socials and communities to keep tabs on all the fresh updates when it happens, as it happens. You can check us out on TikTok at The Bold Stars, on X at The Bold Stars, on Instagram at The Bold Stars, Facebook at The Bold Stars Podcast. And please don't skip the contents that we've got lined up every Monday. Follow us today.
And as we're talking, as we're recording, hi guys, we're still recording. Yan, live na tayo sa TikTok. Yes! Nice. Live na tayo sa TikTok. So, Joyce, abang pumapasok ang ating mga suki. And because we want to be closer to you, Starlings, we are conquering the brave new world of live streaming. You can now join us on our live sessions for the bigger, brighter, and bolder edition of What's the Fuzz Live, which we're live right now on TikTok.
Yay! Are we live?
We are now live. Yes.
Okay, yes. And now, to our friends and families, old and new, thank you for keeping us company. And as always, no goodbyes, just brand new hellos. Tune in again next time for a new episode.
Here's for more braver questions and bolder conversations. May all your stars align in your favor. This is
The Bold Stars Podcast. Season 8.
Yes.
One cosmos, countless constellations. Here we spark braver questions and bold conversations. This is the Bold Stars Podcast. The universes, galaxies and beyond. Come on in, let's talk.